Hey guys, it's Play to Entertain, and today we're gonna be playing some white noise. It's like a Slenderman clone. Whoa, what's that? Should we just play on this map? Okay, let's play on this map.
Wait, this costs brownie, my love. This game used to be the ish. Hi. Oh, crap. I know this. Are we looking at the ground? Oh no, we're.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Dude,
What's
look
up?
at
Who's this?
this guy. He looks retarded.
He's a greaser.
Oh yeah.
Hey, turn your flashlight off, hose.
What? Why? It's like so dark.
Exactly.
Our mission is to find all the.
Just flick them on and off. Just flick them on.
What's in that door? What's in that door?
Oh, where'd you guys go?
Hey, how do you sprint?
RT.
Ooh.
Can you open it? Am I like taller than you guys? I feel like I'm taller than you guys.
Wait up.
Ooh.
What is that?
Creepy.
Bookshelves. Yeah, that's so creepy.
Bookshelf.
That's so creepy. Bookshelves.
Wait, what are we
What
supposed
are
to
we
go
looking at for again? Are we looking for Crocs?
Yeah, I think we're looking for Crocs.
Wait, where'd you guys?
Okay, let's go this way over here. This looks better.
Where? Oh, that way.
Or no. There's probably a page or something. Crocs up here.
It's not stick together. No, it's not pages. It's the recording.
Oh, yeah.
That makes it
Just
work.
listen then. Listen.
I can hear one.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna be inside of one of these things.
I'm doing turn so slow.
Oh, yeah, it's weird. Like, you can't turn your sensitivity up. Is it in the water fountain?
It's like right behind us wall.
I think it's in this water fountain.
It's not in the water fountain, stupid.
Could have been.
Here, is it in here? Yes, there it is.
Where? Oh, jeez, that's humongous. Oh my gosh.
Where?
What kind of recording is that big?
Yeah, I know.
Dude, we're living in like
It was like as big as your character, Charlie.
Dude, he is a freaking stud. Look at him. Look at Charlie. He's a stud.
Oh, flexing. Oh, yeah, yo.
Look at him. He's pimping.
Oh, which way? Kind of both dark alleys, little
Probably
pathways.
just like going in circles in this place.
I can hear him.
It's like gay, like.
He looks. Ooh. I remember the first time I did playing this, I actually thought I was gonna like get scared, and then like I saw him and I just like stood there and I was like, really?
Well, he does get scary when he pops out of corners, yeah.
Well, this map's pretty cornery.
Yeah, it is pretty cornery.
I would just. Ooh, what's that? Is that a spaceship? Is it some?
Yeah,
sort
we're
of-
in hangar 51, man. That's the.
Area 51.
It's
It's called hangar.
It's called Bunker 51.
Oh my god, there is.
Oh my
there is.
jeez.
Where?
There
Where?
is, over there.
Where? I don't see him.
Just run backwards. It's all just run backwards.
He's not even here. What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not.
Across the room in the door.
No, he's not.
I can see Breaker go towards.
He's not here.
Almost. Look, girl. Go right out of it.
He's not here. I don't know what you're talking about. It's pretty scary. Where'd you guys go? Oh no. Oh, I see your flashlight.
My God.
He's not over there.
Ah. Are you using the flashlight?
Dude, he was.
No, but he's.
Why can't we like use these missiles towards?
Oh wait, do you guys hear it? I feel like I hear it.
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah.
It's gotta be in these missiles.
In the missiles?
Like under the rocket.
There's like cabinets over here. I feel like I'm gonna find them and I'm not gonna scream like a girl.
Yeah, but let's go through the door that he was in.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, meet me up there if you know where you're going.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, alright. Where are you going?
It's dangerous to go alone. Oh no. Oh, what is this? Oh, the guys, help me! I'm coming across.
Wait, do you still hear it?
Oh, is he behind me? He's behind me.
I know where you are.
Are you guys in here?
Oh my god, he's there. He's right there. He's right there.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. He's across the
Did you guys go in the room that he was in? Oh, you're right here. Oh, oh, okay.
Oh, there you are.
in this room.
It's gotta be in this room because it is thing. No, it's right there. We're stupid.
Where? Gosh. These missiles are so detailed.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's get out there.
Yeah, let's go where we
Let's go.
Oh, let's go back. Let's go this way.
You don't wanna go in there?
Why would we go that way? Okay, I guess we're going that way. I turn off my light off right now.
Can I just like not get through the door or something?
You're just too fast.
Where's Charlie? I think we lost Charlie.
No, he's part of it.
Really? He is?
Ooh, look at his like train. What is this?
Are we outside? No, we're inside still.
We're on
No,
doors.
No, we're
No,
not.
look. Oh.
What's up?
How is it trippy? We're like in a train tunnel or something.
Stacks in the house. Like, what? You're like,
This is like a train. It's like train things, Charlie. Train cards.
so true. Oh, yeah.
Where?
United States aliens.
Like so intelligence bureau.
I can't move.
You're moving.
I can't move.
You're moving. You're clearly moving.
No, I'm not. I swear.
You're moving.
I can't move.
But you're moving.
You can't
Like
get
run.
out,
Can't get out.
Run.
Running.
Well, I guess you're here to die.
dude. See you later, guys. No. Oh my god!
Oh gosh!
Wait, I can move now.
Oh my god! Oh! He's right there! Hey,
bro, yeah, my life there. I just got like trapped.
He's not there anymore.
Do we go this way?
Jump down. Jump down.
Can we?
No. That was crazy. We looked like. Yeah,
Oh, oh, he's right there.
I looked over
He's
here.
right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Oh, this way.
Ah, he's on the tunnel!
Oh god.
Oh, there he is. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you.
Right this way.
They were just over here.
This is just a dead end.
Yeah, Trey, can we just...
Is he behind us? I feel like he's gonna be around this corner. Is he ready? There's another thing over here. Guys, I can like walk on the air. Look at me. I'm like walking.
Dude, me too.
Search for it.
Oh, here? I hear it. Go back over here. Go back.
Yeah, it's on the other side of the train track. One not let you go over there.
You go be back there. Ah, what the heck?
I think I can see it.
Oh, he's right there.
That's
He's
Wait.
back behind. He's back there in the.
Oh, there he is.
Charlie's like, ow.
Every time
Jeez.
it just like gets your heart going.
Not every time, but...
Oh, he's still right there. Oh no, he like disappeared.
Yeah, he did.
battery in my flashlight.
That's why I had my flashlight off for a long time.
But like, I can barely see.
Me too. I can't like see it all.
Charlie's like head is on the. I don't even know what I was gonna say right there. I'm gonna go back down this dark alley. Not,
They're all dark alleys.
I'm going this way. I'm running.
Go this way.
What does that sign say? Trains.
Okay, so there. Oh, there he is.
Where? Where? Gosh! Maybe if we wait 5 seconds, then he won't be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Watch him be closer.
Gosh, he is closer.
Never saw him.
1, 2, 3.
Still there?
No, he's not there.
Oh, yay. Oh, he's right there though.
Oh!
He's gonna go this way. Disappeared.
What if we just like keep walking and we just hear Charlie like scream?
Should just like
I
ditch
really
Charlie.
thought Charlie.
Yeah.
What he's gonna do. There's no I hear one, I think.
Why are you guys following me? I'm trying to run away. Are we outside? No, we're still inside.
I have no flashlight.
Alright, this is probably where one's gonna
Ooh, look at this place. It's spooky.
be. UFO.
Gosh, that alien's huge. Look at that thing.
Is that his butt? What is that?
These things like look deformed and stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty awkward.
That looks like a caterpillar. They look like They look like they have ET faces or something.
Kinda looks like a monkey though. Kinda looks like a monkey.
Dude, look at this like retarded looking.
Oh my god, yeah, look at this one. Like, oh, this one does look like ET. Yeah.
Or just pulled out ET's face and slapped it on it. Oh, he's right there!
There. He's just probably been watching and it's just like.
I'm just gonna ditch Charlie.
Fuck him.
I never see him. What if he was just like in one of the jars, dude?
Franklin with the rescue. Yeah, what are we doing?
I'm trying to run away
Oh,
from
he's right there.
I'm trying to run away from you guys. Where is he?
See your flashlight, retard.
Well, I just now turned it on.
Charlie, come with me. I'm gonna go find.
Oh, here, doorway.
Wait,
Cabinets.
I've already been in here. I feel like.
Well, it's probably just a clone.
Yeah. See, we went back. We went just in a huge circle right there.
Did we? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. This is different.
Later. I've lost you guys.
No.
Oh God.
I just stayed Franklin.
Great.
I'll come back for you, Gavin.
Then why are you following me?
Yeah, but I'm coming for you. Wait, yeah, where are you?
Wow.
In your room?
Oh, I see. Are you
Hey,
guys?
Franklin.
We're all lost.
I'm glad you saw me and not Franklin because
Alright, this way.
Oh gosh, I think he sees me. Guys, no, where are you? It says it's dangerous to go alone. Where are you? I need you. Screens are sparky.
Alright, let's get out of here, Charlie.
No, I was just trying to be friendly.
What the